Your name is very unique. Means your channel name is very unique. So what is the intention behind?
Yeah. Actually, it's a very good good question you asked me. Actually, one like there are some many people suggested me that you have to change the name of your YouTube channel because name should be like learn with Vishal, learn English with Vishal, or the Dehati ma'am. So someone also suggested me the name of like that name like Dehati ma'am. So people attract like the Dehati women are speaking a good English like this. So people have been or people will attract towards your channel watching just the name of your channel. But I suggested or I gave that name because it's my education, right? Means um, while doing my education or while learning, it's all learning English is also part of education. Okay, so I have been when I completed my HSC and after that I couldn't complete my education, but I did not leave my practice of English speaking. Okay, that time. So learning English is also part of my education. So it's my education, right? Like, and each and every people has their own ride. I can say the education journey. So it's
Yes,
my
yes.
education journey, like my education, right?
Yeah, this name is very unique and
You know,
attractive, no?
not
So,
attractive. Yeah.
but no, meaning also behind this name. So people attract that name of these things, no? They mostly uh, people of those who are using YouTube. So they are searching. Some people there is some categorize, no category you can see. Some people they watch or they use mobile for entertaining. Some are for the study material. They search some study material. So those who are interested in study or want to learn some new things, so definitely they can attract this after getting the name. So
Name.
that is right.
Yeah. Yeah. And second thing is, ma'am, because I feel that right now you will see, or I have also seen many people around us, they couldn't complete their education, and right now because of that they are doing uh, any kind of job, like as a they are driving, they are doing a driving, they are doing a work of security guard and all many kind of work which I have seen those people they couldn't complete their education, but till now right now or still they are very fond of learning. Okay, but whenever they get a time they try to learn a new thing. Okay, so I can say because of I put that name like my education, right? So still I'm learning whatever job I am doing right now, but still I'm learning. So it's my education, right? Like this.